down right there?
I definitely believe in what I'm doing. I love what I do, but not just from a production standpoint, but also just influencing and imparting into these guys who at some point, hadn't been a part of anything this big. And so every time that we get here, I try to get them to understand that just because you're incarcerated doesn't mean that you can't make a difference. I believe that leadership's a lifestyle, and that's something that these guys in here, they've got to see it. They've heard so many things that this is what I am, this is what I'm not doing, but you got to live it. And I think those people who are successful are the ones that do it on a daily basis, on an hourly basis, and they just don't change and waver. And so I think that's what's helped me to be successful, not only with the inmates, but with my staff, because I use that same principle with them, and really try to treat them like people. And one of the things that I told these guys is that they're not inmates, they're employees. If they didn't believe in what we were doing, we would not be as successful as we are.
It looks real good. I like what you got going on. Love how it's working. Keep up doing a good job, man. Appreciate it.
Seeing these guys that can make a difference and let them know that, as long as you give it an honest chance, we'll give you an honest try. And so in doing those things, I think that helping them find themselves and what they got going on will definitely is the part that I've seen change, is them seeing the opportunity that they can actually do something to make a difference. The true reward is just seeing these guys find themselves and just giving them that work ethic that's going to not just help them out in here, but help them out whenever these guys get released.